It's Janice's baby. Oh, look, she's so sweet. I gotta get down on doggy level.
She's shaky.
Yeah, well, it's scary. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. Oh, sweet. And there's the sweet mama. She's like, are you being nice to my baby?
Yeah. Kim, here's your favorite.
Oh, she's so cute.
Now, do you think she's shaking because she's scared? Or
Scared and cold.
hold her close?
They're used to being warm and in a closed space. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. How are you? She's so sweet.
That's Janice. Well, Janice finally got to see it.
She's shaking. I don't want her to shake.
Oh, she's nervous. Put her down. Look at that hair on her back. I'll tell you about the zigzag. Her hair.
Oh, she does have like a little curly zigzag down the middle.
Yeah.
Look how sweet she is. Hi, little baby.
Amelia gets to name her.
Baby.
I've been asking her. Yeah, I've been
adorable.
asking her because she keeps bringing up, can I get a dog? Can I get a dog? And I say, what would you name a dog?
Look at her. You just got like a smile on her face.
I know.
She is
She
adorable.
said some stupid name, and I went, what? She goes, well, I don't know. I'd have to see
Look
it.
at the baby. Aww.
She's so sweet. She's a good little mommy.
That one's not shaking at all.
Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you, lady? You're so sweet.
He's got silver like, yeah, you got these 2 girls and 1 boy. And, cause that one got silver like daddy.
Where do you think she's shaking?
That one's got more, looks like they
Hold
have
her
more of
close.
the hair.
She's nervous. Yeah, she's nervous. That's how.
Yeah,
Oh, there's the sister. Is this the brother or the sister?
Yeah, they
the
did.
sister just got more poodle.
Yeah. One's poodly looking.
And that's
Because she's holding them close. See, Janice?
all.
Is she still
They need to
shaking?
feel warm. That's all they need to feel
Yeah.
warm.
I need to get myself some cleavage.
It's so
They're
cute.
tired.
They look tired.
Well, Joyce?
She's falling asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not easy.
Hey, I got 4 already. And I don't think I can have
Now, you look how that one's just so
I know.
content over there.
You have 4?
She's so falling asleep.
Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy.
Do you smile? Do you smile for 'em?